requiring a query table. So I will move to the navigation pane, and under the queries tab I will select any of the table. So let's select orders query. So I'll simply double click on it. On the right side of my screen you can see the order queries table right in front of me. So let's try to create a report for the same. In order to do that, I will move to the create tab, and from create tab I will go to the report group and simply click on report. The moment I click on report, I have all my field out here. Perfect, as you can see. Now if you have also noticed that some of the columns are too wide, right? So let me go and adjust the width of the column. It can be done just selecting that particular field, and I can simply drag it with the help of my mouse. You make sure that none of my record is being overlapped. Like if I make it too narrow, it will be too difficult to understand. So I will just make it proper. Perfect. So let me make it proper. All right, similarly I'll do this for first name as well. I'll just simply narrow it down to the required size. Perfect. Similarly I do it for the phone number as well. Okay, so now I have all my fields ready with me. Let's say that few of the records which I do not require, like I do not require the zip code of it, so I will simply select that particular field list and hit delete, and it is boom, it is gone. Similarly I can deselect or delete the header of it, so just select it and just simply hit delete. Now I do not want this, I have removed it completely. Perfect. So this is how you can delete a particular record. Also, if we do not want the last name, I can simply select it and delete it. All right. The next thing which I have to make sure, if I'm going to print this report, I will always make sure that it's inside this dotted borders. So the dotted border will give me an approximation of the page size of your print. Right, so I will always make sure that every record lies between this. So let's go to the bottom and see. As you can see, this page is little bit outside the border. So if I want this to be printed, I will simply select this and drag it a little bit inside along with the table. I'll undo this. Let me rearrange it. So I can simply, yes, perfect. So I have the proper entry. Now for the records which I do not require, I can simply, as I told you, I can simply select it and delete it. Now I have my report ready with me. Now in order to see the report form, as you can see, this is the layout form. How you can check that? If I go under the view tab, the layout view is being selected. Now if I want the report view, I can simply click on the report view, and now these dotted lines are gone. Right, in this way I can create a report and I can get an understanding of it, and I can adjust the width of the column using the layout form, the layout view. Right, in this layout view you can adjust the width and rest of the details. If you want to delete or enter any record, I can use the layout form, and simply if I want just the report of it, I will simply click the report view and I have the report ready with me. Alright guys, so in this way we can create report in Access. Hopefully you guys like this video. See you until next time.